Okay, now we've got the box installed on the wall and we're ready to put the outlet in. What we're going to start with doing is we're going to take the wire and we're going to take a razor knife and we're going to cut right down the middle. We're going to cut about a ½ inch from the end of the wire and we're going to cut right down the wire, right in the middle, just slit it right down the middle. Make sure you stay in the middle because you do not want to cut the either side. If you go either side of the middle, you're going to cut the black or the white wire. And you want to stay right in the middle, so the only thing that's underneath that is the ground wire. When you get to the end, we're going to peel that back, and that exposes the wires inside. Pull that back just like that. If you don't get all the way to the end, you can always pull it back like that. Open it up, and you've got a white wire and a black wire in there, and then also your ground wire, your copper wire, which is your ground wire. Take all this stuff right here. We don't need any of that, so we can cut all that off. That's all extra. Slice all that off, get it out of your way. And then we're going to take the outlet. On the outlet we've got, on one side we've got a brass screw. The brass always goes to the hot wire. It's usually going to be your colored wire. In this case it's black. And then on the other side we have a silver wire. The silver wire is always going to go to your neutral, which is your white wire. And then you've got this is your ground wire. This is going to go to the green wire. It's a ground screw right on the side. Okay, we've got our ground wire connected there to the ground screw. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to strip our white and our black wire, colored wires, and on the back of the outlet you'll see there's a little strip gauge there that will tell us exactly how much we need to cut off each one. If you take that and just take a look at it, it will tell you how much to pull off. So we're going to take the black one. I've got these wire cutters that basically just fit the size of the wire. I'm using 14 gauge wire here, so I've got it set for 14 gauge. I'm going to put it in the slot for 14 gauge. Strip a little bit of wire off of there. Now we're going to take our needle nose pliers and we're just going to take those and just twist those around and make a little loop out of each one. Small little loop like that, and you just put the needle nose at the very end and make a loop and you'll get the perfect size loop every time. After we do that, we want to take the wires, and once again we said the white goes to the silver and then the color is going to go to the brass screw. So we're going to take the white, attach it right on there like that. Now you'll notice we've got two screws here. We don't need both of them, so we've tightened one down. What this is for is you could have separate outlets if you break that little tab, but as long as that tab's together you only need to connect to one side and that will control both sides, top and bottom of your outlet. So we're going to tighten the white down. Then we're going to flip it over and we're going to attach the black. Now we always want to put the wires on so that we're turning the screw in a clockwise direction. The reason for that is when we're turning it this way we're tightening the wires down. If we had put the wire the other way, we'd be loosening as we were turning it. That's basically it. We've got the ground wire, we've got the black and the white attached. You can mount these in the box a couple ways. You can mount them like this or you can mount them like that. The only difference is the type of plate you put on. How you put the plate on. Basically we're going to go ahead and we're going to install this one up. I like to go ahead and put the plate on first, and I'll just put that on there. Tighten these two screws down. Now after I get the plate on, I like to take a little bit of black electrical tape and just wrap it around the terminals on the outlet. That's not required by code, but I just like to do it because it just keeps it a little bit safer, and as you stick it in the box, if you have to change the outlet out later on, you'll appreciate that little piece of tape on there so your edges don't hit the box as you pull it in and out, or if a plug or something moves the box around a little bit, you don't want those edges hitting. So I just put a couple wraps of tape around that just like that. Get off. And then I'm going to take these wires, tuck them like this. Now this is a good time to give this a little twist. Maybe twist it with your linesman's pliers a little bit. Make sure that it's nice and tight, so we got a good tight connection in there. And then as you put the wires in, you push one end down, and then if you've got, depending on how much extra wire you've got, you push it up so you kind of make an accordion S shape as you're pushing it into the box. So your wires go back and forth. As soon as you get it in the box, you're going to tighten your top screw and your bottom screw. Get those lined up and started. Then after you get the outlet in the box, basically you put a cover on and you're all set. You'll take the cable clamps and clamp this to the wall and you're all set. You're done with the outlet.